Well, I'll tell you what. The Affordable Health Care Act, it made all insurance plans more comprehensive and therefore more expensive. But here are some ways to save money on health insurance. First, pick the right plan for you. Don't pay more than you need to and get more than you actually will ever use. Also, if you want a lower monthly rate, try increasing your deductible. Think about getting an HSA plan, which is a health savings account plan, which allows you to save money to pay for health care tax-free. Also, you can save money on medications by shopping around a bit at places like Costco and other discount stores. Also, before every doctor's visit, lab test, or hospitalization, make sure they are all in network.
Problem with the health exchange a lot of times is sometimes the find a doctor tool or knowing what's in the network is not quite so clear. And it's not the health exchange's fault, it's just insurance companies make things confusing on purpose.
So finally, always double check your medical bills for any errors. And if possible, negotiate a better price for medical procedures. For example, I got 20% off the birth of my kid because I paid the hospital up front. So those things are possible. Back to you.